Hello, my name is Bill Noggle. I'm here today to talk to you about SEO. You can do it yourself. This video is to help the do-it-yourself person who wants to save a lot of money. You can SEO your website and get it ranked higher on the search engines than paying thousands and hundreds of dollars to companies to do it for you. My website is Nog SEO. Nog is short for Noggle. That way I have a short domain name and it's a very short URL. So that makes it easy to remember. That's one reason why I like it that way. Try to make yours as short as you can, because that'll actually help you rank on the search engine. The first thing you need to know about search engine optimization is to make your URL domain name is similar to your title of what your website is all about. My website is all about SEO, search engine optimization. So I have it in the domain name and I put it in the title. The title, that's important. We'll get into that and you'll see that your title name will be in your meta tags. Okay, we'll get to that down the road here. Second, you got to make sure the content of your website is 300 to 500 words. You can't just put a few words, 100 words on there, because Google is looking for content. All your search engines are looking for good content. And you have to have a certain number of words to be acceptable. Third, you got to make sure your keyword or words are 1 to 3% of your total word count. So you don't want to go higher than that, because that's called keyword stuffing. If you don't have at least 1%, you're not going to rank high on the search engine for that keyword. My keyword is SEO. My other keywords that I have is free SEO. The other keywords I have is SEO optimization, website SEO. Keywords like that are going to be in the content of your website. So make sure you have that percentage. Fourth, the subject of your website should be unique. You do not want duplicate content elsewhere on the internet. In other words, when you write your content for your website, make sure nobody else on the internet has it. Don't copy anybody. Don't get something similar to another website. It has to be unique. If you have to use an AI keyword writing tool, there's a lot of free ones online you can find. Write something, put it in there, they'll rewrite it for you, and it'll make good sense. But it's got to be unique. Fifth, make sure you have meta tags in your head section of your website. This is what it looks like. If you open your web page, your index web page of your website, in the head section, this is what it'll say. From the head, it'll say this right here. That is part of it. That's part of the HTML that you'll see. But here's your title. You have to have a title in there or Google won't recognize it. None of your search engines will recognize. Put your description in there. Put a few keywords in there. You can even put your author name in there. This script is in there because I have a PayPal, but you don't need that unless you want a PayPal button to if you're selling something and somebody is coming to your website to buy something, you could get a PayPal button. You can go to PayPal and set that up. And then this is the head that ends. So all this stuff has to be in the head section, right here. Let me show you what it looks like. Here is the HTML of my website. You can see it from top to bottom. You got your title, you got your description, keywords, author, and the PayPal button is in the head. It's all between the head section. That's where it has to be. And then, of course, this is the content of my website. Now, the sixth thing you need to be successful at SEO, you need many backlinks. High authority. High authority means that these websites that you have your link on, that is your URL, you have that on their site, they are already ranked very high on the search engine. So they're called high authority. Those give you more clout. Those will help you rank. And you need hundreds, even 1,000 or thousands backlinks. If you're competing in an area, your keyword where there's a lot of people who rank high on that keyword, you're going to need even thousands of backlinks. Backlinks, tell the search engines that you're important and you will rank higher. So that's very, very important. So if you do all these things and you do them well, you will rank high in the keywords that you have on your search engine. Now let me show you that you can look at a web page, any web page, and just see how they are. Like here's my website. You can right click it. You can't do it where there's a photo. You got to go down like to here. There's no photo. Right click. Then it'll say view page source. There it is. That's the same thing, HTML. That's the same thing. You'll see that. You can go to anybody's website and right click it like that and view the page source and see how they have their website built, the HTML. And that's important because that'll give you an idea of what you need to do to make your website better. Another thing that I forgot to mention is see where you see H1, that's your header titles. You got to have at least an H1 with your main keyword, which is SEO services. Then you got H2, complete SEO services. So you got to have H1 and H2, on your web page, and that will help you rank high on the search engine. So all these things are important. You can't just do one or two of them. You have to do them all. You do them all, you'll be successful, and you'll be glad you did it. So thank you. This is my website, nogseo.com, and you can go here. You can send me an email. I got my email listed on here somewhere. No, I don't see it on here. Well, you can just use this to contact me. But you send me an email. Oh, here it is right here. businessonlineplace@gmail.com. That's my email. You can send me an email and you can ask for any kind of help and I'll give it to you absolutely free. If you want to donate, you click here and you can just donate anything, any amount, whatever you want. But this is my website and I'm glad to help out anyone who wants to rank high on the search engines, and I'll do it for you absolutely free. I love doing this. I'm retired and I love keeping busy, helping people, anything that has to do with computers, websites, website building, SEO. That's right up my alley, and I'm glad to help you. So have a good day. Thank you.